Hey there, and welcome back. Today, I want to share a heartfelt story that beautifully intertwines love, friendship, success, courage, patience, and growth. It's a reminder of how our connections shape our journeys and how the challenges we face can lead to incredible transformations. Once upon a time in a small town, there lived two best friends, Mia and Jake. They were inseparable since childhood, sharing dreams and secrets under the stars. Mia was the dreamer, always envisioning a future filled with adventure and success, while Jake was the steady force, encouraging her every step of the way. Their bond was built on unwavering support and a deep understanding of each other's aspirations. As they grew older, life began to present its challenges. Mia faced setbacks in her career, struggling to find her footing in a competitive world. There were moments of doubt when she questioned her abilities and whether she would ever achieve her dreams. But Jake was always there, reminding her of her strengths and the passion that fueled her ambitions. He would often say, "Every setback is just a setup for a comeback." His words became a mantra for Mia, instilling in her the courage to keep pushing forward. Meanwhile, Jake was navigating his own path. He had dreams of becoming a musician, but the road was anything but easy. Rejections and disappointments tested his resolve, yet he remained patient, knowing that success takes time. Mia cheered him on, attending every performance, celebrating his small victories, and helping him stay focused on his goals. Their friendship was a beautiful dance of encouragement, where each lifted the other during tough times. As the years passed, both Mia and Jake experienced significant growth. Mia finally landed a job that aligned with her passions, and Jake released his first album, which resonated with many. Their hard work, patience, and unwavering support for one another paid off. They realized that success wasn't just about individual achievements. It was about the journey they shared and the love that fueled their ambitions. One evening, as they sat on the rooftop reminiscing about their journey, Mia turned to Jake and said, "I couldn't have done this without you. Your belief in me made all the difference." Jake smiled, knowing that their friendship was the foundation of their success. They had learned that love and friendship are powerful forces that can help us overcome obstacles and grow into the best versions of ourselves. So, if you're facing challenges in your own life, remember the importance of surrounding yourself with supportive friends and loved ones. Embrace the journey, be patient with yourself, and never underestimate the power of love and friendship. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to follow and subscribe for more inspiring tales. Until next time, keep shining.